How to remove collections. You want to watch this. Step 1, pull your consumer report. You either can go to Experian.com, IdentityIQ.com, or InYourCreditReport.com. They let you pull it for free. And do not use Credit Karma. Go to step 2, write down the collection company name, write down the collection company name, the address, and the account number. You need this information. Step 3, go to Google and type 15 USC 1692 CC. That law clearly states if a consumer notifies a debt collector that the consumer refuses to pay a debt, the debt collector must cease all communications. Reporting to your consumer report is a form of communication. Step 4, use the law I just mentioned above in your dispute and send it through the CLPB and watch the account disappear within 14 to 30 days. This is proof that this method works. What I say, LLC has marked your account as cease and desist. Then you go down right here, say, this the company name, say has submitted a deletion request of the trade line from your credit profile.